Welcome back to Learn with Hushal. Hey friends, today I'm going to talk about something super important if you want to grow online, and that is SEO. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and easy, just like we're having a chat. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple words, it means improving your website, blog, or even YouTube videos so that they show up higher on Google or YouTube search. For example, if you search best pizza near me, the restaurants that show up on the first page, that's SEO at work. Why SEO is important? Think about it. When you search something on Google, do you ever go to page 2 or 3? Most of the time, no. That's why SEO is important. If you rank high, people click on your content. You get traffic, views, and customers without spending money on ads. Types of SEO with examples. There are a few main types of SEO. On-page SEO, everything you do inside your website or content. Example, writing a blog post called How to Lose Weight Fast and using the keyword in the title. Headings, images, and linking to related posts. Off-page SEO, things you do outside your site to build trust. Example, if another health website links back to your blog, that's a backlink. Technical SEO, making sure your site runs smoothly. Example, a site that loads in 2 seconds versus 10 seconds. Faster wins. Local SEO, perfect for nearby businesses. Example, a salon in Birmingham showing up when someone searches best salon in Birmingham. YouTube SEO, ranking videos higher on YouTube. Example, a video titled Easy Chicken Recipe with the keyword in title, description, and tags, plus a great thumbnail will rank higher. How to learn SEO. The best way to learn SEO is by practice. Example, imagine you want to write about fitness. You type weight loss in Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest.
Show that weight loss diet plan has 50,000 searches, but weight loss for moms has 10,000 searches with less competition. So instead of targeting the big one, you choose weight loss for moms. That's how keyword research helps you find easier ways to rank. The next screenshots are sample pictures of keyword search using Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest. Where SEO can be used. SEO is not just for websites. You can use it on YouTube, blogs, online stores, apps, even personal branding sites. And if you're into freelancing, you can earn money by providing SEO services to clients worldwide. Websites, YouTube, freelancing, business. So in short, it helps you get discovered, grow your audience, and even make money online. If you start learning today, step by step, you'll thank yourself later because SEO is a skill that never goes out of demand. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.